Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix microphone on Windows 11. If you're wondering, the first you need to do is to check if your microphone is not your default microphone. So first, go to search and type in microphone privacy settings. Just click that option. Now once you're inside, you make sure this toggle is already on. And also, let apps use your microphone. In here, click onto the apps you're using the most of your microphone. Now, once you're done, go to System and select Sound. And make sure that this option is the microphone you're currently using. And you can adjust the output of your microphone here. After that, let's try to my Skype if Skype recognizes my microphone. Simply go to search and type in Skype. After that, go to settings and select audio and video. All the way down, you can see that my microphone is completely working and Skype recognizes my voice. So just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.